welcome to my channel. In this video we'll be constructing a polygon, we'll be constructing polygons on a given base, constructing different numbers of polygon on a given base. So the idea is we have a base that has different polygon, has a square, triangle, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, nonagon, all of that together on the same base. So the first thing to do to construct such polygon is to get the side of the polygon. So let's take something very small. Let's say polygons of sides 40 mm, all on a given base. So we are constructing up to polygon of 7 sides, all on a given base. The first thing to do is to draw the base, which is of course going to be 40 mm like we're considering in this video. So this is my line 40 mm. I'm going to call this point A and then point B. This is 40 mm. After doing this, draw a perpendicular bisector that's basically dividing line AB into 2 using a very long perpendicular bisector. You can check that in my other videos on how to bisect a straight line. So using that method, I'm going to construct a perpendicular bisector across line AB. Okay, this is my perpendicular bisector CC. And the next step is to construct two triangles of angle 60 and 45 at A and B respectively. You can also switch it. You might choose to construct angle 45 at this point and an angle 60 at this point. So you can use your protractor or you can make do with your 30-60 degree set square. So I'm just going to use my 30-60 degree set square to construct the needed angle. So this is my 60 degree angle, and that is my 60 degree at A. So I want to construct my angle 45 degree using the set square tool at B. This can also be changed. You can choose to construct a 45 degree at B, and then so it's not a permanent position for the 60 and 45. So in this position, I have constructed my 45 degree angle at B. The part where my line B intersects with the perpendicular bisector will be indicated as point 4, and then the part where the 60 degree intersects with the perpendicular bisector will be indicated as point 6. So we need to create or identify point 5, center 5 of the perpendicular bisector. So the way we could do that is to bisect point 6, 4. That is line 6, 4. This distance, we need to bisect the distance to find the midpoint. You can check previous videos on how to bisect a straight line. It follows the same process. Bisecting the distance between 6 and 4 follows the same process of bisecting a straight line. So we need to get the midpoint of 6 and 4. The midpoint will be called point 5. This is point 5. So we have points 4, point 5, and point 6. We need to offset the same distance because 4 to 5, the distance between 4 to 5 is equal to the distance between 5 to 6. This is just the midpoint of 4 and 6. So what we need to do now is to offset this distance on this perpendicular bisector that was drawn earlier up to the number of polygons that we want to achieve on the same base. So we're just going to take the distance between 4 and 5, or the distance between 5 and 6, as they are going to be equal. Any of them will do, and then offset the same distance on the line. So just like this, we have offset the distance this way. So this distance, this points 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 would be centers of circles that will circumscribe the polygons. So this will circumscribe the polygon of 4 sides, this will circumscribe the polygon with 5 sides, this circumscribes the polygon with 6 sides. The same thing goes for this for 7 sides, and that. So we're just going to go on to construct a circle with center 4 and radius 4a. Center 4 and radius 4a. We'll strike a circle like this. So center 4 and radius 4a, a circle here. Then we offset the base on the circle. That is the size of the polygon, which we measured as 50. Offset this side of the polygon on the circle from B on the left this way, and then from A on the left this way. So these points of intersect are positions where we are going to draw our lines. So we'll join line A to B and B to C. So this is a quadrilateral. This is the four-sided polygon has been achieved on its own base. Then we'll move on to the five-sided polygon. Just like it happened with the four-sided polygon, we'll place your compass with 5 as center and radius 5a. With 5 as center and radius 5a, you can see that. Radius 5a, draw the circle. Need to be very careful at this point, as circles will be increasing in number. And then after getting the circle that would circumscribe the five-sided polygon, we offset the same sides, the base, on the recent circle, not the previous one. So we have it as this. Go to B. Then we still have space. So if properly done, it will come here at the center of the perpendicular bisector. That's the point where the perpendicular bisector is intersecting with the circle, just like I have here. Then we join our lines straight up to get our pentagon, the most recent circle. 3 sides, then everything is coming here, 4 sides, and our pentagon is gotten on the same base with the square. On the same base with the square. We can also repeat the same thing too for 6. Then offset the distance AB on the most recent circle here. Then we join our lines from A to B. So we have our circumscribed hexagon. We can do the same thing too for 7 with center 7. Repeat the same thing, center 8, center 9, center 10, a small polygon that you want to do. So you follow the same process. This is what we're talking about. So we have 4-sided, 5-sided, 6-sided, 7-sided, 8-sided, and 9-sided. You can keep doing more and more and more and more sides of polygon using this dimension. If you've learned something from this video, kindly like the video and subscribe to this channel so that at every point a video is being posted like this, you can get updated and come to watch and learn. Thank you very much.